What is value of unknown in terms of another variable? For example, determine the value of x in terms of y in the equation 4x plus y equals 7. Ang value ni x ay mayroong paring variable na y. So how to do this? Write the equation 4x plus y equals 7. Ang hahanapan natin ng value ay ang x. So transpose
y
to the right side of the equal sign, it will become 4x equals negative y plus 7. X lang ang kailangan natin, so divide the whole equation by 4. Simplify, 4 divided by 4 is 1 or x. And negative y divided by 4 is negative 1/4 y. 7 divided by 4 is 7 over 4. This is the value of x in terms of y. Kung mapapansin, ang value ni x ay mayroon pa ring variable na y. Another example, determine the value of y in terms of x in the equation 2x minus 3y equals 9. This time, kukunin ang value ng y in terms of x. So sa value ni y ay mayroon pa ring variable na x. Copy the equation. Ang kukuhaan natin ng value ay si y, kaya i-transpose si 2x to the right side of the equal sign. It will become negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 9. Ang kailangan lang ay ang y, so divide the whole equation by negative 3 because negative 3 is the numerical coefficient of y. Simplify, it is now equal to y equals 2/3 x minus 3. 2/3 x minus 3 is the value of y in terms of x kasi yung value ni y ay mayroong x. Okay? So, kailangan po alam ang pagkuha ng value ng first variable in terms of another variable. Ito po ay i-apply natin sa topic natin na solving system of linear equation by substitution. Example number 1, solve the system x plus y equals negative 7 and y equals x plus y. Sa solving by substitution, kailangan ang isa sa mga equation kay system ay mayroong value in terms of another variable. Tulad nito, may value na ang y in terms of x. Okay? So kapag mayroon tayong ganitong equation, ayan, copy natin yung other equation or the first equation, x plus y equals negative 7. Then, substitute. O, ito na ang ating topic. Substitute. Substitute the value of y doon sa ating first equation. It will become x. So, kinapi itong x plus, ang y ay pinalitan na ng x plus 1 because ito yung value ng y. Equals negative 7. Simplify, tinanggal ko yung parenthesis, x plus 1 equals negative 7. Add like terms, transpose positive 1, naging negative 1. Simplify, x plus x is 2x and negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. To find the value of x, divide both sides by 2. The value of x is negative 4. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. May value na ang x natin. So, ang kukuhaan na lang natin ng value ay ang y. Pwedeng gamitin alinman sa dalawang equation na ito. Iisa lang at pareho ang magiging sagot. So, ang gagamitin ko ay itong naka-in terms of another variable na. Yung second equation. Change the value of x, which is negative 4. Then simplify. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. We have here an exact value for x and for y, meaning this system has one solution. And that solution is negative 4, negative 3. This is how to solve system of linear equation by substitution. Example number 2, the system are x minus y equals 8 and x minus y equals negative 6. So dito, wala tayong value of one variable to another variable. Okay? So, mamimili ka, alin sa dalawang equation na to ang gusto mong i-change na magkaroon ng value yung isang variable in terms of another variable. Ako, ang napili ko ay yung first equation. Pwede kahit na anong gamitin. Again, kahit ano ang gamitin mo, iisa ang lalabas na sagot. Ang kinuhaan ko ng value for the first equation ay ang x. Kaya x equals y plus 8. Negative y, transpose sa right side ni equal sign, naging positive. Ayan. Kaya positive y plus 8. Meron na tayong value for x in terms of another variable y. Kopyahin natin ang second equation. Ayan. So, kapag ang first equation, ang kinuhaan mo ng value, isa-substitute iyon kay second equation and vice versa. Hindi pwedeng ito ang kinuhaan mo ng value tapos sa kanya mo rin isa-substitute. Hindi po pwede.
Kailangan doon sa second equation.
So for x minus y, the value of x is y plus 8. Kaya palitan ng value ni x sa ating second equation. It is now y plus 8 minus y equals negative 6. Simplify, tanggalin ang parentheses. Ayan. Simplify again by adding like terms. Y minus y equals negative 6 minus 8. Y minus y is 0 and negative 6 minus 8 is negative 14. So as you can see, 0 is not equal to negative 14. This statement is false. Therefore, the system has no solutions. Example number 3. Solve the system negative x plus 3y equals negative 2 and negative 3x plus 9y equals negative 6 by substitution method. So again, wala tayong value of for one variable to another variable. So magkikreate tayo. Pwedeng piliin alin man sa dalawang ito, pero mas madali kung ang kukuhaan natin ng value ay yung first equation. Dahil ang numerical coefficient ng first term na x ay 1, negative 1. Mas madali yon. Yung ang kukuhaan mo ng value in terms of another variable, ang numerical coefficient ay 1. It will become ayan, negative x equals transposed kaya naging negative 3y minus 2. Kung mapapansin ang ating x, ang kinuha ng value ay negative. Dapat ito po ay positive. To make it positive, pwedeng divide the whole equation by negative 1 or multiply the whole equation by negative 1. Same lang yon. Distribute negative 1 to the equation. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. So, ito na, positive x. And the negative 1 times negative 3y is positive 3y. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. So, meron na tayong value for x in terms of y. Substitute this value of x to the second equation. So, for the solutions, copy the second equation. Then, substitute the value of x. Negative 3. Ang x ay pinalitan na ng 3y plus 2. Plus, copy 9y equals copy negative 6. Simplify by distributive property. Distribute negative 3 to 3y plus 2. It is now equal to negative 9y minus 6. Negative 3 times 3y is negative 9y. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Copy 9y and negative 6. Add like terms. Ayan. Ang like terms natin ay ang negative 9y at ang positive 9y. Then, itong 6 na to, transpose, naging positive. Simplify, negative 9y plus 9y is 0. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. If the solutions is like this, 0 equals 0, wala tayong definite value for x and definite value for y. But this mathematical statement, 0 equals 0, is true, meaning this system has infinitely many solutions. Parang it is too many to mention, kaya nag-0 equals 0. And that's all. This is how to solve system of linear equations by substitution.